Hey guys, today we're going to be solving one-step linear equations. So let's say we have x minus 4 equals 11, and we have this minus sign here. So that means we need to do an inverse operation. The inverse operation of minus is plus. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. Bring down the equal sign, try and keep that lined up. I'm going to cancel the minus 4 and the plus 4, and I'm left with x on the left side. And then I'm going to add 11 plus 4, and I get 15. So now, if you'll remember, the original equation was x minus 4 equals 11. So we've solved and found that x equals 15, but I want to check it just to make sure. So we plug in 15 for x. So 15 minus 4 equals 11. 11 equals 11. So check, that works. So our final answer is x equals 15. So let's say we have x plus 7 equals 4. I want to do the inverse operation of plus. The inverse operation of plus is minus. So I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. I'm going to cancel out the plus and minus 7. And I'm going to subtract that 7 from 4, and I'm going to be left with negative 3. Bring down the x, so x equals negative 3. If you'll remember, the original equation was x plus 7 equals 4. So I'm going to plug that negative 3 in for x, so I have negative 3 plus 7 equals 4. Well, negative 3 plus 7 is 4, so 4 equals 4. Check. So our final answer is x equals negative 3. So let's say we have x over 7 equals negative 2. Remember that x over 7 means x divided by 7. So I need to do the inverse operation of division, which is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 7. Those two 7s cancel, so I'm left with x on the left side of the equation. And on the right side of the equation, negative 2 times 7 is negative 14. So x equals negative 14. So I'm going to try and plug those into the original equation. So that negative 14 goes in, and x becomes negative 14 divided by 7 equals negative 2. Well, negative 14 divided by 7 is negative 2. Negative 2 equals negative 2. So the answer is x equals negative 14. So let's say we have 6x equals 18. 6x means 6 times x. So the opposite of multiplication is division, right? So the inverse operation is going to be division. So I'm going to divide both sides. I'm going to divide both sides by 6. Those 6's cancel. X equals 18 divided by 6 is 3. So x equals 3. Now let's plug that into the original equation, which was 6x equals 18. All right, so 6x is multiplication, so 6 times 3 equals 18. And 6 times 3 is 18, so 18 equals 18. Check. So our final answer is x equals